Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the essentials ready: your geo number and a working OTP method. Open the My Geo app or visit GeoCare on a browser and sign in using the geo number so the account settings load. Once done, grant any permission prompts so call blocking features can work. Make sure you're on a stable mobile data or Wi-Fi connection, because the app needs to fetch your profile before you can change call preferences and blocking lists. Now navigate to call settings or call blocking inside My Geo. This is where you control incoming calls. Add specific numbers to the block list by typing or pasting them, or enable the toggle to block unknown and suspected spam callers. If you prefer carrier-level controls, choose Do Not Disturb or request Geo's DND/spam protection through GeoCare. This stops categories of marketing calls. Make sure to save change. Finish by verifying the changes. Test with another phone or review the block list in the app to confirm entries. If calls still come through, restart your device to refresh network settings, then reopen My Geo and double-check that blocks and DND are active. If the issue persists, contact GeoCare support, request a reference ID, and ask them to confirm carrier-level blocking. This helps technicians trace the problem faster and ensures the block is enforced on the network side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.